In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to delete trip history on Uber. Let's get started. First, launch your Uber app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now here you're going to find different tabs. Navigate to the tab Activity. Over here, you're going to find your most recent trips. If you tap on one, you'll notice there is no option to delete or remove it directly. Uber only shows your 4 most recent trips in the Activity tab. As you take more rides, older trips get pushed down and hidden. So one way to hide older trips is simply by continuing to use Uber, which refreshes the list. Another option is to log out of your account. This way, if someone else opens the app, they won't see your trip history without logging back in. You can also set up a work or business account in the settings. This allows you to separate personal trips from work trips, keeping your history organized. If you want to completely remove all your Uber history, go to Account, Settings, Privacy and Data, Privacy Center. Scroll down, tap on Account Deletion and confirm. This will erase all past rights and allow you to create a brand new account with a clean slate. And that's how you can manage or delete your trip history on Uber. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.